In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove Steam trade hold. If you've ever tried to trade items on Steam and been met with a long wait, this is for you. The key is simple. Turn on the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator and keep it active for at least 7 days. After that first week, most of your future trades will go through right away without the standard hold. Start by installing the official Steam app on your iOS or Android device. Using the official app is important for security and to make sure everything works as expected. Once it's installed, sign in with your Steam account so the app can connect to your profile. Next, enable the authenticator inside the app. Open the Steam app, tap the profile icon, and from the drop-down menu choose Account Details. Then go to Security and Devices. Here, follow the prompts to set up Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. You'll be asked to scan a QR code to activate it. Simply point your phone's camera at the code when prompted. Continue through the on-screen instructions until you see confirmation that Steam Guard is active. Once it's enabled, you'll notice the authenticator shows a changing security code in the app. That's your sign that it's working. Keep the app installed, signed in, and available on your phone. This ongoing access is what allows Steam to verify your trades quickly and safely. Now for the part that trips people up, you must wait a full 7 days after enabling the authenticator. During this 1-week period, trades will still have the usual 15-day hold. That's normal and expected, so don't worry if your first few trades don't go through instantly. The system needs this time to recognize and trust the new security setup on your account. After the 7 days are up, your new trades will generally process immediately with no hold. The key is to keep the authenticator active. If you remove it, log out of the app or switch devices and re-enable it. That waiting period can start over, which means holds may return temporarily. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.